Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. So the reason why I'm so excited is because we are almost at 500 subscribers. I am so happy. So right now I'm about to look right now as I edit this video to see how many subscribers we have, because I believe like when I looked the night before it was like I want to say 476 or whatever. So I'm about to see right now. We are at 481 subscribers, so we almost there. Remember to like, share, thumbs it up, let people know to subscribe because we are almost at 500. I'm so excited. We out here shining, 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 shining. Yeah, all of this winning. But right now, what I'm about to do is a silk press on my lovely client, and I want to get more into the video to talk about how to care for your hair if it's color treated. So let's get into today's video right after the intro. Roll it. All right. So when it comes to color treated hair, I do know we all have our own concerns and we all have our own worries. And honestly, as a professional, I do understand these concerns and these worries. And I do believe these things can happen if you're not prioritizing your hair. So I do know people are worried about breakage. People are also worried about their hair drying out. People are also worried about their hair not being able to retain length. And all of these are true when it comes to color treated hair. And listen to the if you are not prioritizing your hair and doing what is necessary after you made the change of coloring your hair. So when I am doing a consultation with my clients and they decided that they want to color their hair, it's nothing wrong. Of course, I take out the time to look at the hair to make sure the hair is healthy enough to go through the change. So now we have seen that your hair is healthy enough to do the color change. Now let's talk about what you need to do afterwards. So my first question to you would be, what are you doing right now when it comes to your hair? Are you a low maintenance person? Are you the type of person that don't put in time and effort and also go to the salon to get your hair done? And if that is no, then I don't suggest to color your hair. It's nothing wrong if that's the type of person you are, then that's okay. But with being that type of person, the limitation would be do not color your hair because you will put your hair at more of a disadvantage and more of a priority to be damaged. Now, if you are the type of person that do put in the time and prioritize your hair, if you are the type of person that go to the salon weekly or every 2 weeks, then I will talk to you about what steps you would need to do moving forward after changing the color of your hair. Remember, hydration is important. So you would do your deep conditions. You will make sure you go to the salon to get your hot oil treatments. You'll make sure you go to the salon to get your protein treatments. You'll make sure you keep your hair hydrated with your deep conditioning. You'll get your ends trimmed when it is necessary. Also, if you feel like your hair is more dull and you just want to bring more life into the color, you can also get a shine enhancement. At my salon, I do shine enhancements where it just enhances the shine of the color. It provides more of a conditioner look to the color and it just brings it back to life. So these are the things that I do suggest. Also, I do suggest a different shampoo and a different conditioner when you make the change to color. So these are the things that I always like to let my client know. Please do not color your hair and you think, oh, all I got to do is color my hair and treat my hair the same way. No, your hair, when color is removed out of your hair to change color, your hair is weakened. So you have to build your hair back up. So that's when all those treatments and also going back to the salon more often is necessary. Now, if you are doing all of this, then of course you can have your color, you can retain your length, you don't have to worry about your hair being damaged, you don't have to worry about your hair being breaking, and you can just enjoy your new beautiful color.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else does me like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long.
I remember doing this color on my client hair. I still believe to this day that this color looks so beautiful. Now, I did this color to her hair months ago, so if I can find that video, then of course I will put that video. Now, I'm gonna be honest, that video, when I was editing, I was new, so bear with me, you guys, when you watch that video. But if I can find it, I will put it up here, or I will leave it in the description for you guys to check it out. But her color is so beautiful, and I love this blonde. This was a beautiful blonde, and I love the way it's growing out in the ombre look. I really enjoy doing this color on her hair. I definitely highly suggest you guys, when you go get your hair colored, number one, go to a professional, but also research the professional that you want to go to see if they know what they're doing. Take out the time to book a consultation, because I'm going to tell you, a $25 consultation is worth it, because you want to ask the right questions. You want to ask them how would they do the color, if your hair is strong enough to be able to do the color, so you can be in the salon to look around, to look at their color bar, to see if they have the appropriate products to build your hair back from color. I'm very big on Olaplex. The good thing about the color line that I use, Matrix color line, they have built-in Olaplex in their color, in their permanent color, in their demi color. So therefore, even if I'm using the Matrix line on you, if I don't actually use the Olaplex line, the Olaplex is built in the color. I feel like that was like a bonus, because me as a colorist, I invest in all the products that I use on you guys. So to have a two-in-one, that's like a bang. And also, it just highlights how much Matrix care for black hair. They care for color. I'm sorry, I said color, I mean to say the curly hair. Curly hair is very is easy to dry out, and it's easier to be damaged by chemicals. So therefore, by having that Olaplex binder already built into the color line, that was the reason why I decided to go with Matrix. So when it comes to color, that's all I use is the Matrix. So of course, when I did my client color, I used the Matrix color line, and also I used the Olaplex color treated line for her hair as well. So I just want to tell you guys that, like, make sure you research your stylist, do a consultation. It's very important. It's the best thing you can do when you decide to go to somebody new. Don't just jump in the chair. Take out the time to do a consultation, especially if you're doing a chemical service with them, and let them educate you, and also let them check out your hair and let you feel the vibe. If you don't feel comfortable, if you don't feel like this is the right place to go to, just don't go. But enjoy the video.
And ever since we play, sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. I wish you away. We know what you want, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you well.
here, so I want to slow it down because I want to talk to you guys about lift. As you can see with my client here, her the color, even though this is months old when I did her color, but as you can see, her color is all cohesive. It is all one color, and that comes from properly lifting the hair. And when I say properly lifting the hair, you do not want to have a spotty lift. So what I mean is where you are lifting the hair and you see that one lift look darker than the other or one lift look lighter than the other. So that does affect how the overall color will look when you are ending your color. So when you are lifting the hair with the bleach, you want to make sure that the lift is even and cohesive together. You don't want to have a spotty lift because having that, even though you're going to cover that with your demi color because maybe you want to say, hey, I want my hair, I want red. So with her, she wanted this type of blonde. Well, when I lifted her hair, I had to make sure her hair was light enough to be able to take this color. But when I lifted, I made sure it was a even lift. That matters because little things like that, it takes you a long way as a hairstylist to pay attention to detailing because even though I'm covering up the lift, some people would think, okay, well, I'm just covering up. It doesn't matter. But it does matter because you want it to be when your client have their hair color in 5 months from that, then 6 months, or so forth and so on, they're washing their hair and the color becomes more dull and the color fades. You don't want it to fade out to one lift is higher than the other, then it looks uneven. No, you want it all to fade out naturally and have more of like a sun-kissed look. You want it to look like this color, it was done professionally. So that's all I wanted to highlight. Like as you guys can see, her color is even though we did her color months ago, but it was the way that I lift her hair before I applied the color. Okay, you guys, so I want you to pay attention to my client's ends. As you can see, her ends are even, it's healthy. This is so important, you guys, when you're dealing with color treated hair. So what she came in today is to get her hair treated. So what we did, we made sure we shampooed her hair. Of course, she got her scalp massage to increase healthy hair growth. She had the strengthening treatment to strengthen her hair, of course, because she does have color treated hair. So you want to make sure the hair is strong, right? And then also we deep condition her hair. We deep condition her hair to put back in the moisture, the hydration, and also to enhance the shine of her hair. And then we ended it by making sure to trim the ends. This is all before I apply the curls because of course she wants me to curl her hair. But I just want to show you the proper way to care for color treated hair. It's important. You do have to you have to invest more money because you do need to go to the salon and get your hair treated and cared for if it is color treated more often than if you didn't have color treated hair, right? But look how healthy her hair is, and this is color treated hair. I know we all have our concerns. Just to like piggyback off of what I said at the beginning, your concerns are valid, but if you are taking care of your hair, you can color your hair and you can go on about your business. I'm a pro stylist of do what you want with your hair, but make sure your hair is healthy enough to do it, and also make sure you are knowledge enough to know what needs to be done after you make the changes to your hair. Because as you guys know, not only do I do color treated hair, I also do relaxed treated hair and texture release hair and also natural hair. So I do several different types of hair. especially when it comes in the black community. I do several different types of black women types of hair, and I'm pro of do what you want to do with your hair, but first I'm gonna make sure your hair is healthy enough to do it. If your hair is not healthy enough to do it, unfortunately, I'm the stylist that's going to tell you I'm not going to be able to do that to your hair because your hair is not healthy enough. Now we can talk about what we can do to make your hair healthy. Once we get your hair to the healthy, to that healthy state, then we can make the changes that you want to make. But if your hair is not healthy, I'm not going to do it. So I believe we can do everything with our hair. We just got to take care of the damn thing.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note.
All right. So we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching my videos as always. Now, if you would like to book any service with me, please hit the link down in the description. I will have my booking information. Also, if you need to purchase any products that I use in today's videos or any of my silk press videos, then of course all those products will be linked down in the description. And once again, thank you so much. Also, remember to check out more videos. Do not stop right here, but remember to drink your water because it will give you healthy hair, skin, and nails. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.